Welcome back to Product Critique, your ultimate destination for insightful reviews on the latest and greatest products. Today, we're diving into the world of home standby generators, and we've got a standout contender on our hands. The Generac 7209 24 kilowatts air-cooled Guardian Series Home Standby Generator. Let me start by saying, if you're in the market for the best Generac generator for your home, look no further. The Generac 7209 is a powerhouse designed to keep your home running smoothly during power outages. Offering comprehensive protection, smart controls, versatile power options, and even Wi-Fi connectivity for real-time updates. One of the standout features of this generator is its remote monitoring capability. With Mobile Link Wi-Fi connectivity, you can effortlessly keep tabs on your generator's performance from anywhere. Receive maintenance alerts and stay updated on its current operating status, ensuring peace of mind even when you're away from home. And here's something that sets Generac apart from the competition: the quiet test self-test mode. Unlike other brands, Generac generators run quieter during self-tests, thanks to lower RPM operation. Not only does this save fuel, but it also maintains peace and quiet in your home. Installation is a breeze with the Generac 7209. While we always recommend professional installation by a certified electrician, Generac has made it easier with features like removable door panels and a base pad that requires minimal ground preparation. Now, let's talk power. With advanced True Power technology, the Generac 7209 delivers high-quality, consistent 24 kilowatts power. Less than 5% total harmonic distortion ensures clean and stable power delivery, enabling safe operation of your most sensitive electronics. Crafted for excellence and proudly engineered in the USA, Generac generators are built to last. The purpose-built G-Force engine is designed to handle the demands of continuous usage, ensuring reliability and reduced maintenance for years to come. But don't just take our word for it. Customers rave about the performance, quality, and ease of installation of the Generac 7209. Whether it's providing peace of mind during outages or seamlessly powering their homes, this generator delivers on its promises. In conclusion, if you're in need of a reliable standby generator for your home, the Generac 7209 24 kilowatts air-cooled Guardian Series is the top choice. With its comprehensive protection, smart controls, and versatile power options, it's truly the best Generac generator on the market. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews on the latest products.